Using a virtual card at an ATM can be a bit different than using a physical card, as virtual cards are typically designed for online transactions. However, if your virtual card provider allows it, here's how to use it at an ATM. Check compatibility. Before attempting to use your virtual card at an ATM, confirm that your card is enabled for ATM withdrawals. Some virtual cards may only be used for online purchases. Obtain a physical card. If your virtual card provider offers the option, you may need to request a physical card linked to your virtual account. Some providers like Revolut offer this service. Locate an ATM. Find an ATM that accepts your card network. Ensure it's a bank or ATM you trust to avoid potential fees or issues. Insert your card. Insert your physical card into the ATM and follow the prompts on the screen. If using a virtual card without a physical counterpart, you typically cannot withdraw cash. Enter your PIN. Input the PIN associated with your card, then select the withdrawal amount. Confirm the transaction and collect your cash and receipt.